The SUMIF is one of the most useful functions in Excel. It sums a list of values based on a criteria. Let's start with an example. We write sum f and we give the range to look for values. And the second parameter it takes is the criteria. And the third parameter is the list of values that need to be summed. This third parameter is optional. As you can see, it's become 40 because we have the food 10, 20, and again 10, which become 40. Now here is an example of using a SUMIF without the third parameter. We write SUMIF, we give the range, and we give the criteria. I write bigger than 10, and if we don't give the third parameter, it will sum the range based on the criteria. And we enter. As you can see, only one number is bigger than 10, which is 20.